Welcome all of you sauce lovers out there. This is Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. You're in for a real treat, a homemade, easy to make ginger and soy salad dressing. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Buckle up, let's go. You'll be thrilled to know there's no prep work. All that you have to do is round up the ingredients. Pour in 3/4 of a cup or 187 milliliters of water, H2O, into a saucepan over medium heat. To that, you'll add 1/4 of a cup, 63 milliliters of rice vinegar. Of course, this dressing works great on a salad or vegetables, but if you make some grilled chicken or grilled steak, put it on that salad, dump this dressing on it, oh, knockout. Now you'll round up some soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy. You can use regular soy if you wish. 1/4 of a cup, 63 milliliters, pour it in. And you can probably notice that this sauce is more or less a glorified teriyaki sauce for a salad. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of mirin, 15 milliliters. Next up to bat, the heavy hitter, brown sugar. Not light brown sugar, but dark brown sugar. 2 tablespoons, 25 grams. Break out a whisk. Stir this over medium heat until the brown sugar has dissolved. Great work, so you're almost done. See, you can make this dressing in a matter of minutes. When that sugar's dissolved, pour the dressing into a glass container. You can pour it into a bowl, into a jar. Whatever works for you, go for it. We have a few final ingredients to throw into it before you can dive in. First, you'll add 1 tablespoon or 20 grams of the Spice World ground ginger. So you can check it out. I'll put a link in the description box below. This is a really great ginger for salads. It's super easy to work with, it has a great sweet taste, and it's not too overpowering. This recipe is great with a hint of spice, so raid your spice rack. Grab those red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon, in it goes. And here you go, the final ingredient, 2 teaspoons sesame oil. So now you only have 2 things left to do for the process of making this delicious salad dressing. 1, stir, and 2, enjoy. Hey Sauce and Gravy Nation, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button. And if you're not a member of the community just quite yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks y'all for watching and your kind support, and remember, keep whisking y'all.